Hi everyone, good evening. Hope you are continuing with your preparation. Oh my god, when you think about it, today is Tuesday and we have just 5 days for the cat, right? So keep it as nice mixture of excitement and enthusiasm, right? And follow the daily routine that I talk about. So let's get into the 5 strategies to tame LRDI sets in the cat. Hi, I'm Munira Lokhandwala and I'm Calcutta alumna, a serial 100 percentiler in the CAT and a 99 percentiler in the GMAT. I also have a CAT verbal book published by Wiley, available on Amazon, guys. I am always there on the Unacademy YouTube Crack Cat channel. I take sessions every day. And I also take a lot of sessions on the Unacademy Learning app. I take special classes plus classes. So, guys, just go ahead and enroll for the Unacademy Learning app. And within that, you have to go for the CAT course, right? CAT Goal and the Plus course. So, we have educators from across the country, guys. Those educators के आसपास है, we have the top 20 educators, and we have people who speak in diverse languages, who teach in diverse languages. Along with that, if CAT is not your focus, if you're looking at XAT, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, right? We have batches and test series running for each of these tests, right? So unlike a lot of other institutes who really place a lot of emphasis on CAT के बाद थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर का they do other tests, which is unfair, right? We have batches for each of the tests right from June, July. So do use those batches when you go there, check them out. Check out the special classes in these various exams, and I'm sure you'll like it and you'll go in for the Plus subscription, right? Another reason why you should subscribe, guys, I'm taking a Plus batch, LRDI. So LR शुरू होके 11th November हो गया है, पर DI is going to start now, right? So DI is starting on the 2nd of December, around a week from now, where I will be taking DI sets every day, Monday to Friday, right? At 7:30 in the evening, we'll be doing a lot of exciting and different sets. So I hope to see you there, guys. Finally, with subscription to go for that, we can talk towards the end of the session. You can use my code Munira10 to get a great discount, right? So great. Let's now talk about ये LRDI का जो भूत है, right? हमारे सबके सर पे it's like a तलवार, because you don't know what's going to come. And in the past few years, right from 2016 onwards, the DI sets have really been fairly interesting. I'm using the word interesting to say that they have been a little above average, right? So, how do we go about it? One of the first things that you need to do is be very good at selecting sets. Now, set selection, of course, you'll say, बोलने के लिए आसान है, अच्छा set select करो. What is the basis, right? So, first of all, you are not going to select sets based on just seeing. देखने से कुछ पता नहीं चलता. You will have to spend around 1 to 1.5 minutes per set looking at the easier sets to pick up. Okay, so if I'm looking at 1 to 1.5 minutes per set, assuming 32 questions, 8 sets, right? I'm talking about 10 to 12 minutes शुरू में आप invest करोगे to decide which sets to go for. इसमें ऐसा हो सकता है कि there'll be 1 or 2 very easy sets जो आप पढ़ते पढ़ते कि हाँ ये इतना हो गया, now I can solve this. तो एक दो sets भी आपके solve हो जाएंगे. तो क्या होगा ना in this process is by the time you are on the 15th-16th minute, आपके 2 sets solve हो चुके हैं and you know among the remaining कि कौन से easier है, कौन से difficult. See, once you solve 1 or 2 sets, no guys, then there is just no scope for anxiety. There is no scope for getting hassled. There is no scope about getting into a vicious circle कि अब मेरा क्या होगा. वो सब कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, right? So ये set selection 10-12 minute you will say अरे I am wasting 10-12 minutes in the beginning. No, you are not. Your job is to do the easiest sets. How will you do the easiest sets if you don't see all the sets? And how will you see all the sets by just seeing them? You have to read, you have to understand, you have to see, correct? कि इसमें data enough है कि नहीं? So as I like to talk, right? कि एक simple सा अगर आप setup ले लो, where you have 5 children with 5 different colored balloons, and 5 different pocket money in their pocket. ये सिंपल सी चीज में भी I can make this a very difficult set also, I can make this a very easy set also. So देख के कुछ पता नहीं चलता. This investment of 10-12 minutes on set selection is essential. It will really give a kick start, right, to your LRDI section. Next strategy is how does the selection work? So my preference is to go for sets with low investment. What does this mean? Low investment, full investment. So there are 3 types of sets. There are sets जहाँ आपको थोड़ा पढ़ना होता है, 1, 2, 3, right? And then questions में they ask you कि अभी अगर मैं question यहाँ थोड़ा twist करता हूँ तो क्या होगा? Second question में क्या होगा? तो इससे क्या है ना, that you don't spend any 1 or 2 I mean not 1 or 2, sorry, you don't spend any 7-8 minutes trying to solve the set, which can go anywhere, correct? या तो हो सकता है या नहीं भी हो सकता. आपका ये full investment is always a little tricky. Instead, you're just, reading, spending 1 or 2 minutes, and then straight away you start getting marks. So 4 questions में से you may not even do all 4. If 1 or 2 of them are very difficult, leave it. But because you have not invested fully, right, it is easy just to pick up 1 question at a time. अगर हो रहा है ठीक है, नहीं होता है छोड़ दो. So your first instinct should always be for the low investment sets. And here again, I'd like to clarify about how I like DI more than LR, because DI is typically of this format. कि थोड़ा graph समझ लो and then you just start solving 1 question at a time. Okay. After this, your second preference should be for full investment sets. These are sets where आप पूरा 8-9 मिनट डालो, पूरा set solve हो गया, 1, 2, 3, 4 4 question के 1 मिनट के अंदर जवाब हो गए, right? In comparison to medium investment sets where आप आधा solve करते हो, आपको 1-2 question उस पे सीधा पूछते हैं, and then the third and the fourth question के लिए they want you to actually, what do they want us to do? They want us to actually solve again, change the constraints. So this is the last. ये medium investment can sometimes be twice the full investment, right? So this is what you will choose. This is how your choices will go with respect to set selection. Next important thing is you need to draw huge tables. Systematically, take one full A4 जो आपको देते हैं rough work के लिए, right? And if you are saying, okay, these 5 children, they are called A, B, C, D, right? Do not draw छोटे-छोटे table. Don't do all this. फिर उस पे कुछ आप किया, rub out किया, right? Instead, and not just the rub out करना का aspect, right? If I have a big gap, I can write here कि okay, the child 5 does not have a green colored balloon, does not have a blue colored balloon. I can do all this and this is still available. So if you draw huge tables, you can use the space better. To this, I'd like to add use a pen and a pencil. जब आप पेन से ड्रॉ करोगे टेबल और पेंसिल से भरोगे, when you erase, right, for another question, वो आपका टेबल बरकरार रहेगा, correct? So use a combination of pen, pencil and draw huge tables. Both of these will really help you save time, keep things systematic, and then there is no scope for confusion. इसके 3 फायदे हैं और तीसरा strategy भी है, right? Great. Next strategy, use the right representation. So be very clear कि अगर कोई balloon red color है और कोई color blue है, can they intersect? Do I need to use Venn diagrams? Do I need to use a 2x2 table, right? Which is the best way to represent? Should I start by focusing first on the children or just focus first on the balloons? ये सब थोड़ा, and this is all set by set, and all this will work out with practice. It is not something that, there are no clear thumb rules that I can give you. All this is going to work out with practice, right? Final strategy, guys. Always start with one-to-one statements. So start with statements which says that P has the red balloon. Instead of starting with a statement that says A does not have green, A does not have blue, right? Always start with straightforward. उसको आप you glance करके you can see कि these are the places which is giving me information clearly. So you start with those and you will definitely be quicker, right? So these are the 5 strategies that I'd like to recommend for your DILR. do try it in your next section test and your next full length test, and I'm sure you'll see a difference, right? I'll see you again, guys, when we talk about the 4 things to look for in Parajumbles question, right? And I will see you on Unacademy also. So please go ahead, subscribe. I know कि बहुत सारे, there are a lot of other resources available, but we, Unacademy, are the only resource that has been fully tailored to teach students online. यही हमारा काम है. This is our job. This is not a stopgap arrangement कि lockdown है इसलिए we're teaching students full time, right? I hope you understand what a substantial difference this kind of focus makes. So we are one of the best places to study for any aptitude test, to study for any preparatory exam, right? So once you go, you will see that yes, एक तो live classes होते हैं, you get to interact with educators straight away. Then there are polls during class कि आपका आंसर A होगा, B होगा. Based on polls, there are also leaderboards कि कौन से students ने ज़्यादा जवाब दिया है. Correct? So along with polls, you also have leaderboards, and you have live doubt solving classes. So this is the leaderboard, right? You have live doubt solving classes and test series. So I hope to see you there on Unacademy. With subscription to go for, well, if you're a CAT 20 student, you can go for the 6-month or the 3-month subscription. I would recommend the 6-month subscription because then we'll be there with you till GDPI, right, till around May. If you're a CAT 2021 student, then I would definitely recommend a 2-year course, right? So great, guys. I'll see you soon. Do use my code Munira10 to get a great discount. Take care and bye-bye.